So I'm back from my birthday trip. So I wanted to do me a little celebration at home. Y'all know it's Virgo season, and if you know anything about Virgos, y'all know we are over the top about our birthdays. Like, our birthdays mean the world to us, and we're gonna do it big for our birthdays. So yes, I have a whole little setup here. I have my little drink here, my cupcakes. I love a good cupcake or cake. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and blow out my candles and make a wish. I just cannot believe how time is going by. Time is going by so fast. My birthday came around so fast. This is one of the best birthdays I ever had. And I just want to say thank you guys for all of the birthday love. Y'all showed me so much love, like on my Instagram and even here on YouTube. Thank y'all for all the love. And yeah, let me go ahead and make my birthday wish. So cheers to the Virgos. Let's sip. It tastes good. My little concoction that I made up. But yeah, I just want to come on here and just talk to y'all briefly because I know the birthday video wasn't that long. Well, my birthday vlog wasn't that long because I was really just enjoying my birthday. And I was literally living in the moment. So it was kind of like hard to vlog everything. So if you haven't been keeping up with my birthday festivities, they are on my Instagram. So make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at Mona X Banks. And there's also a video on TikTok, so make sure you're following me over there. So I just wanted to come over here and celebrate with y'all a bit. Got my little drink, got my cupcakes, got my roses, my balloons. I am such a birthday girl. Like, I love everything about birthdays, down to the balloons. Like, I have to have me some balloons and I have to have me some cupcakes. But yes, I had a really good birthday. This is one of the best birthdays that I had. Everything, for the most part, especially on September 8th, which is my actual birthday, went really good. I just really enjoyed myself. I wanted to just have a good time. I didn't want to go to the club. I just wanted to like lay out on the beach. I wanted to have like a nice brunch, which I did. And it was just a really nice time, a really good vibe, good energy. And I'm just so thankful and blessed that I was able to just relax and do something that I wanted to do on my birthday, which was go to the beach. I love the beach. I love palm trees. Like, I love the beach. Like, I'm a beach bum, okay? So yes, you guys, I had a good time overall. But I just wanted to come on here. I just cannot believe like how fast time is going. Time is going so fast. And I'm just so thankful and I'm just so blessed to be in a position that I am in today. So we gotta cheers to that, to more blessings, more life. But yeah, I'm just so thankful. And I really just cannot wait to see what this year has in store for me. Y'all already know I've had a lot going on this year with me transitioning my life and moving on from Georgia, and it's just been a lot to soak in and take in all at once. And then my like birthday came so fast, so I've been trying to just like soak up everything that's going on in my life because it is definitely a lot going on and it's definitely going to heat up. And I cannot wait for you guys to go on a journey with me because it's about to be a lit year. Like, I'm claiming it. I am no longer going to stand in my own way of myself. I'm not going to doubt myself. I'm just going to do the things that I want to do. And I'm not going to make excuses for the things that I want to do. I'm just going to go ahead and do them. I'm not going to wait until things are perfect because time is ticking. Life is going by fast. And I do want to accomplish everything that I want to get done while I'm here on earth. And I do not want to have any regrets. So I feel like this new chapter for me with my move and just with my birthday is to just elevate further, to walk more in my authentic self. I've always been my authentic self, but I want to take that to the next level and just be myself 110% and give exactly who I am 120%. I just want to just thrive in being who I truly am and not caring what anyone thinks of me and just doing my thing, not worrying about opinions, not, focus on the likes and focus on the views. I just really want to focus on my craft, my art, and just getting better and just getting out of my head. That's the biggest thing, is like getting out of my own head, because I do have the tendency to be in my head about everything, like overthink everything. And I just want to do more of doing as opposed to just like overthinking things and then it making me not even do it because I'm like now overwhelmed because I don't overthought what I'm trying to do. So I just want to walk in, hold my head up high and be confident in the things that I'm doing, go after. I want to just be confident in the things that I'm doing. I want to go after everything that I want out of this world and out of this life. I know with God, I can definitely do all of the things that I would like to accomplish. And I'm just really excited for the next couple of years because I just know that I'm on the right path. I've gotten so many signs that I'm on the right path, and I'm just going to continue to keep growing, keep healing, keep elevating. And that's where I'm at in this space of my life right now is I just really want to heal from a lot of things and just like move forward so I can be the best version of myself and so I can look back and be proud of myself. And I also want to live in a moment more because I'm the type of person that, like I believe I've said this before, like I don't celebrate my accomplishments in a moment. Like I kind of just be like, oh, okay, that's cool, now on to the next thing. But I really want to just like celebrate myself in the moment. And that's why my birthdays are so important to me because it's a time for me to celebrate myself because a lot of times I don't feel celebrated. So self-love is the best way for me to feel celebrated. It's for me to celebrate myself and embrace myself and not look for other people to celebrate me or embrace me. That is something that I need to do within for myself. Not to say it's not nice if other people celebrate you, but I'm going to give myself my flowers. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to wait for nobody to give me flowers or to celebrate me. Like I'm going to always make sure I do that for myself because it's something that makes me feel good. Like this makes me feel good. Like I know it may not be big to y'all, but it's big to me because it does make me feel good. It brightens my day, and yeah, I'm just on the path of doing what feels right to me no matter what. Putting God first and then putting me right after God. Like not putting anyone before me, making decisions that are going to fit my life. And that's just where I'm at in my life. Like I'm just really going after everything that I want. And I've always been like that. You know, a go-getter, like going after the things that I want, but I definitely want to pump it up and I want to go 20 times harder because I know I have the potential. I know my potential. I know I have the talent to do so many great things, and I'm definitely going to do those things for sure. Y'all going to see big things from Wanna Be very soon, and I just really hope that y'all are just as excited as I am because I am. I'm just so excited for my life. Like I'm in a different space than I was last year, like the last couple of years. On my birthdays, like I just, they were just like not giving. They were giving mediocre. But I feel like this birthday was just a really beautiful birthday for me. Like it was really what I wanted. And I just want to continue to grow and blossom into the beautiful being that I am. No, but yeah, I just want to come on and say that before I show y'all my Miami trip because it wasn't a lot of footage. And I know I kind of started this video off just how I wanted to start it off. I didn't really say hey to y'all, but hey y'all, love y'all, appreciate the support. You guys enjoyed this little intro, and I hope you guys enjoyed the little bit of footage that I got from my Miami trip, and I will see y'all on my next one. Happy birthday to all my fellow Virgos. I love y'all. Hello everybody. Today is my birthday. Hopefully y'all can see me because I can't tell, but today is, oh, it's dark over here. Today is my birthday, and I'm out walking to the beach. It's September 8th, Virgo season. You already know how I feel about Virgos. Virgos are the best horoscope. I don't care what nobody say. But I'm on my way. Look it up. If you don't believe me, look it up all the celebrities and all the great people that are Virgos. But anyways, so I'm in Miami with the beautiful palm trees, as you guys can see. So yeah, I'm going to the beach to take me some few pictures, and then we're gonna go to brunch.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that she'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody say, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go.